Today we're going to show you how to change the vegetable drawer slide rail on your refrigerator. It's a really easy job. All you're going to need is a Phillips screwdriver. Let me show you how we do it. Now the first step in this repair would be to open up the refrigerator door. We're going to remove any items on the top of that crisper shelf, and we're also going to remove all the items from the vegetable bins. We'll remove those two bins, set those aside. Reach in underneath and lift up on that crisper glass. Pull that out, set that aside. Then we can take the frame for the crispers and lift up on the front. Pull that out. And then we'll set that on a suitable work surface so that we can do our repair. Now that we have the crisper frame on a suitable work surface, we'll start by removing that center divider. Just lift it off from the front and unhook it from the back. Set that aside. And there's an escutcheon across the front that we'll need to remove. Just reach in underneath the bottom edge. Peel it up and just lift that off. Now we need to remove one Phillips screw at the front and one at the rear. Now that end rail holds the frame in position, so once you remove those screws, it's going to start to flop around a little bit. And just slide that end rail right off, set it aside. Take our new one, fit that profile into the front first. Replace that one screw. We'll make sure that the end rail is pressed tight up against that frame before you tighten it. I want to engage the back side as well. And I want to install that screw. And again, make sure that the end rail is tight against the frame before you tighten it. Now we can reinstall the front escutcheon. We'll hook the top edge on first, center it end to end, and roll it down to hook on the bottom. Reinstall that center rail, hook the back in first, drop it in place, and now we're ready to reinstall the frame. Now to reinstall, we'll take that frame, slide it into place. Make sure the hooks engage at the back of the liner, then snap down the front so it locks in place. Replace the vegetable pans. Reinstall the glass. Make sure that lifts up on the back enough to sit on top of that center rail, so it'll push back far enough. Pull it forward so it sits perfectly flat. And our repair is complete.